Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Morning Routine in Simple English. I'm Alex, and I'll be your guide today as we explore real cafe conversations together. Hi, I'm Sarah. Whether you're traveling, moving abroad, or just want to sound more natural, today's episode will help you build confidence ordering breakfast in English. Let's start with a relaxed, friendly chat. That's right, Sarah. We'll take it slow and clear so beginners can follow along easily. By the end, you'll know how to order breakfast and ask about prices, all using simple, polite English. Plus, we'll break down every phrase, explain new vocabulary, and give you pronunciation tips. So, grab your notebook, and let's get ready for our morning cafe adventure. Imagine you walk into a cozy cafe on a bright morning. You're a little nervous, but excited to try ordering breakfast in English. Sarah, what's the first thing you might say to the cafe worker? Usually, a friendly greeting is perfect. You could start with, "Good morning." It's polite and sets a positive tone. This simple phrase instantly helps you connect with the staff, even as a beginner. That's an excellent point. A warm greeting can make the whole experience smoother. And it's universal no matter where you are. A good morning feels welcoming. Exactly. After you greet, you're ready to start your order. Don't worry if you feel shy. Everyone appreciates a polite customer, and we'll help you with the exact words you need next. Now, let's talk about ordering. Two common phrases are, "Can I have?" and "I'd like." These are both polite ways to ask for what you want. Sarah, can you give us examples using breakfast foods? Sure. For example, "Can I have some toast and coffee, please?" Or, "I'd like scrambled eggs and orange juice." Both are friendly and easy for beginners to use in real life. That's great. Notice how adding please at the end makes the request even more polite. In English-speaking countries, this small word goes a long way. Absolutely. And if you're not sure what to order, these phrases work for anything on the menu. Just swap in the food or drink you want. Let's quickly go through some common breakfast items you might see at a cafe. For instance, what do toast and scrambled eggs mean, Sarah? Toast is bread that's been browned and made crispy in a toaster. Scrambled eggs are eggs mixed and cooked until they're soft and fluffy. Both are typical breakfast choices in many English-speaking places. And don't forget drinks. Coffee is probably the most popular. There's also tea or orange juice. Each word is easy to say, but if you want to sound natural, practice the pronunciation slowly. Exactly. If you want something special, you can add words like black coffee or fresh juice. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll feel with these terms. After you order, you might want to know the price. The most common question is, "How much is it?" or "What does it cost?" Sarah, why is this phrase so important for beginners? It's essential because it helps you avoid confusion at the register. If you're new to using English money words, this question is a lifesaver. For example, "How much is the coffee?" Makes your meaning clear. Plus, it's helpful in all shopping situations, not just cafes. If you feel nervous, remember most cafe workers are happy to help and will answer slowly if you ask politely. Definitely. And if you want to be extra polite, you can say, "Excuse me, how much is it, please?" That's a great way to show respect and get a friendly answer. Let's pause for a quick grammar tip. You might hear people say, "I would like" or "I'd like" when ordering. Sarah, can you explain why this sounds more polite than just saying, "I want"? Of course. "I would like" is softer and more formal. For example, "I'd like a cup of tea" is friendlier than "I want a cup of tea." It shows respect, which is important in English-speaking cultures. That's a key point. Even small changes like this help you sound more natural and polite. You'll hear cafe customers use "I'd like" all the time, especially in the morning rush. And don't worry if you forget and say "I want." People will still understand, but practicing "I'd like" helps you blend in and feel confident. After you get your order, it's polite to say, "Thank you." Let's talk about pronunciation. Sarah, many learners struggle with the th sound. What's your advice? Great question. The th in thank you is a soft sound. Place your tongue gently between your teeth and blow out air. It's not a hard t ord. Practicing in front of a mirror helps a lot. That's a helpful tip. Saying thank you clearly can make you sound much more fluent. Plus, cafe workers appreciate the effort, even if your accent isn't perfect. Exactly. And remember, a smile goes a long way too. Together, clear pronunciation and friendly body language make every interaction smoother. Let's listen to a sample conversation. I'll play the customer, and Sarah, you'll be the cafe worker. We'll go slowly so everyone can follow. Ready? Good morning. Can I have toast and coffee, please? Good morning. Of course. Would you like anything else? That's all, thank you. How much is it? It's $5, please. Did you notice how each phrase fits together? Let's break it down step by step in our next segment. Now, let's review the key words from our conversation. First, toast crisp bread. Coffee the classic morning drink. Thank you to show politeness. Sarah, can you add a few more? Sure. That's all means you don't want anything more. How much is it? Ask for the price. And please a magic word for politeness. Practicing these helps you feel ready in real cafes. Absolutely. If you repeat each word out loud, you'll remember them faster. Studies show repeating new vocabulary 3 times boosts your memory by 70%. And don't forget to listen for these words when watching movies or videos in English. The more you hear them, the more natural they'll feel. Now it's your turn. We challenge you to practice your own cafe order. Repeat after me. Good morning. Can I have eggs and tea, please? How much is it? Great job. If you want to change it, try. I'd like toast and orange juice, please. Remember, you can swap in any breakfast food or drink you like. If you're listening at home, pause and try saying your order out loud 3 times. Practicing with your own voice helps build speaking confidence. And if you have a study partner, do a mini role play together. You can even record yourself and listen back to improve your pronunciation. Before we go, remember, learning English is a journey. Every time you practice a real conversation, you get a little better. Even small steps, like ordering breakfast, are big wins. Absolutely. Try using today's phrases the next time you visit a cafe, or even when ordering with friends at home. The more you use English in real life, the faster you'll improve. And don't be afraid of mistakes. Everyone makes them, especially at the beginning. What matters is you keep trying and practicing out loud. We're proud of your progress. Join us next time for another practical English lesson. Until then, keep practicing and enjoy your morning conversations.